The whole team is here. We getting ready to open up one gift. Christmas Eve 2022.
Let's see.
What?
I want to see it.
You want to see what?
I want to see the me.
LL Cool J.
New York!
I want to see
New York!
New York.
That's New York.
That's how Lauren said it.
New York.
Say, see the Christmas tree. We made it
See the
all the way from the A.
Nobody wants to hear that.
The gang is halfway. Look, the gang is halfway here.
Sing a song.
Halfway.
This house gonna be.
This part of the gang is next door.
I got this duck on the water right there.
That's a save you.
She taught herself that.
How she hear that song?
She hear it every day on the radio.
Oh. Hi guys. I don't know what to say to y'all. I don't know who y'all is. Hey.
She be on that karaoke
Nice-
machine.
nice
She know
to
them
meet y'all.
songs. She know them songs.
She tickled me. She was like, I was like, oh, the
That was
concert
one of
when
my
you sent me that
squad.
video. She's having her concert. Laura said, I ain't playing.
But you gotta go through. You didn't do it right though.
I didn't do what right?
You didn't do it right now. She's showing y'all the wrong stuff. She gotta show y'all Christmas spirit. You know?
Cause she gotta do my hair.
Oh, Lord. That's what you thinking about?
This is our
What are
living
you
room.
supposed to do to your hair?
I'm about to get a braided. Not no not no cornrows though.
You gotta get your hair braided. That's ridiculous. You do not need to get your hair braided.
Who?
I'm not gonna turn to the back. But, yep.
Yeah.
Say hi. Lauren's interview. Oh, you wanna see?
Yeah.
Lauren's interview.
We best
Monet,
friends.
Best friends.
See what they used to say to you.
Love you, girl.
I love you too.
Love you more.
Love you too.
Oh, this camera's nice.
It need to be. Monet, you need to turn that heat up.
Turn it up.
Because it's 69, it's not right. Yeah, she be 80.
No, Jabrel's looking at. Jabrel's looking at what?
No.
It's on 84.
It's on 80.
The heat is. Laura, why would you press that? You broke it.
Monet, don't laugh. Because you make her go back over there.
No, don't touch
It's
it.
not funny.
I want to be best friends. I want to be best friends.
Cause I just gave you some tone in my voice. I'm sorry.
Best friends.
We best friends. Don't knock me over now. I won't be able to get back up. Let me stop. I won't be able to get back up.
Be best friends.
You just want to see yourself.
Laura, she's slick. Laura said, oh, I know how to get you.
What is you doing?
Friends.
You want to get rid of these for me?
Why would you do sideways?
Cause I'm about to take a photo.
Take a photo of what?
Of that hair.
Turn that camera. Okay, you guys. It's
Wait a
Christmas
minute.
Eve.
Hold on.
And the team is halfway here.
Wait for Avery.
Where's she at?
I'm
I
calling her mother. Picking her up.
I'm talking.
Hey. Didn't I say wait? Candy?
Mommy, can she get some candy? She can't have it because she already has some candy. Lauren, no can work.
Alright, then you turn the camera back.
Yo.
Girl, you ain't see her walking on the street.
Oh man,
Come on, hit it. Hit it one time. Hey. Hey, come on, hit it. Hit it. Hey.
Go sit. Go sit at the Desire.
Okay, y'all.
That boy got showmanship, boy.
The whole team is here. We getting ready to open up one gift. Christmas Eve 2022.
Hey man, JC got
The team is here.
Boy, you way more active on social media than me.
Oh my God, where is he? No, you missed it. You missed it. He was
Hey, you doing good. Don't talk to no strangers, okay?
So is everybody opening?
What's good?
Mommy, can you go sit? You want one too?
Quiet a second.
Mommy.
Everybody be quiet.
I didn't know you do it all had the same thing. I said it would have been dope if we all had the same thing.
Well, let's go to your room see if you get this phone ringing.
Look at Grandpa.
I gotta call it again.
There go Grandma.
Oh, you was getting the popping, Lauren, huh? Y'all was paying them cookies?
Yeah. I'm in mine right now.
Give him his thing.
Family.
I'm the oldest,
It's the
but
family.
hey.
He gonna like that.
Yeah, Jay, get it.
Get it. Yeah, boy. Oh.
Get it.
Look, boy, he's funny, boy.
Let Lauren, Josiah, JC, and Amari go over there. Go
Y'all ready
to help them.
Who turn is it? Step up. Step up.
She gonna show you your lane.
You come with me?
Go on, JC. Go, Amari. Go get you a gift, baby. Watch Lauren. The Lauren don't get what you say. No, okay, y'all act like
Your
this.
name. Here, this is yours. Take it to mommy.
Okay, there you go.
Take it to mommy.
They get to bust them open right away.
Okay, open it. Wait.
Yeah, they should.
Go ahead, open it. Go ahead. Open it, girl. She said, say less.
What you got?
What's this? You got Lauren.
Coco melon.
Okay.
Okay, let me see.
Wait.
I like it. Come on, please.
Huh?
You want to open a coco melon for me?
Let's see what you got.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got. Open it.
But you gotta put some.
This ain't what I think it is. It's
Oh,
not.
yeah.
No.
Yeah, right. So we got two
Do
good.
you know what?
Go ahead.
Go ahead, open it, Josiah.
Open it. Open y'all get. Where's Amari?
I'm trying to find this.
Open that present, baby.
Ain't nobody
That's my boy,
It
baby.
don't gotta be small.
I think he said, She know my boy look like baby.
Open yours.
I got a tablet.
Yeah.
Don't
Baby, get Amari. Help her.
baby name steak.
Now you got both of them.
Amari gonna have to do this.
Yeah.
Hold on, you need help, baby?
Wait.
You gonna open yours?
Let's see. Whoa! All right, rip it over. Rip it over.
I got a
Oh, look at that. You got some SpongeBob going on in there. You better open that. You better open that. What you got, JC? Oh! Oh!
Baby.
Come on, JC, man. We gotta see what you got.
Oh!
Giving it to the kids.
Okay, you growing up out here. I see you. Oh, okay.
Y'all get one right now. Look at it. You ready to open it? All right, let's open it.
Okay, let's see what you got. Oh, what that say? Let's get it close up. Okay.
I got it.
Hey.
Real good, girl.
I got
Woman,
the same
cozy.
thing.
Bodyology. Oh, we got the tablets.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
What we got?
Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay, I see that. Who next?
Oh,
Jabril.
What?
Did y'all give Jabril one?
look, my lips about dry.
This is what? Oh!
Look. We trained her well. She already went and got a garbage bag. Trained her well. Train her well.
Mommy.
Don't step over people.
Yeah, you gotta wait till tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's dope. I like your phone, man. I like your phone. Press the button. Hey, press code. You know,
You mad?
you know them Coke. You know like 2 Cocoa Melon.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
Like Cody and JJ. Why do I know that?
You like this airplane?
Bro.
Why do I know that?
Got you. Hold on.
Jabril got the one that feel like nothing.
Really?
She gave me that one that feel like nothing.
Okay, Snook.
That feel like nothing.
I don't want to open it all the way. You open it. That's from Tootie, though. Okay, good. Let me see. Look, pay attention to
What you got over there?
I don't know. Okay. Yes.
What you got over there?
What you got, do-rag?
What you got, do-rag? Come on, do-rag.
Do-rag. Hey. Okay.
Well, let me see.
Chuck her out. Land it in.
Hey! That boy, what? Top 5, top 5. Oh.
Hey, in a minute. Hey, in a minute, that's gonna be his NFL team, right, do-rag?
Hey, it's in there. Hey.